Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm very well, thank you. Is there anyone absent today? No? Okay, so before we start the class, let's pray together. Okay, so welcome to my class. So, are you fond of reading, everyone? Yeah, if you like reading, for example, biography of your idol, scientist, or the story of someone's holiday, someone's experience in the past, it means you have read a recount text. And that's what we are going to learn this time. So, do you know anything about recount? Have you ever heard of it? Or have you learned anything about it? So recount generally retells past event. If you read someone's biography or someone's experience in the past, that is the example of recount text. When we read a recount text, we will find some parts like orientation, events, and reorientation. So what is orientation like? So orientation provides the setting and introduce the participant. And then what about events? So even it tells what happens sequentially, like the experience in day 1, day 2, day 3, etc. And last but not least, the reorientation. So reorientation refers to the closure of events. So this is the example of recount text. It is about diving in Bunaken. Paragraph 1 is orientation. The first paragraph told us the participant is I, or the writer. Then the setting in Bunaken and the time is last year. And then paragraph 2 and 3 is the activity of the writer from the first coming in Bunaken until the end of activity. This is called events. And last is reorientation. So let's try the exercise. For this type of question, we have to check the answer one by one. Let's start from option A. The writer went to Bunaken with his family. This information we can see in the first paragraph. So the writer go to Bunaken with a group of New Zealand divers, not with her family. Then let's take a look in the option B. To the writer, the journey from his house to Bunaken wasn't uneasy. So it means like it is uncomfortable. But let's look at the paragraph, first paragraph. It's told that it is getting there was not quite easy. So that is not the correct answer. And then option C, before starting to dive, they were briefed about diving. This information is in the first sentence of the second paragraph. We got a general briefing. And then the third paragraph, then we began our diving. So it means the option C is correct. Then the option D, the writer didn't need any guide to identify the fish. But in the paragraph, in order to identify them, we needed a good guide. So the option D is wrong. And then finally, the option E, it is impossible for the writer to have an interest in marine life. Then we have no information about it, so the option E is not suitable. Okay, everyone, time is up. But before we finish the class, let's review what we have learned today. So, today we have learned about, yes, it's about recount text. So, how many part of recount text? Okay, Recontext have three parts. It is orientation, events, and reorientation. Okay, everyone. So I think that's all for today. Don't forget your assignment on page 21. And thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.